कि मैं राजनीति में मंत्री बना, जो भी बना आज बाबा साहेब डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर की वजह से बना और पे बैक टू सोसाइटी करने के लिए बना। दलितों की जब रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात आती है तो जो पार्टी अगर उससे पीछे हटती है तो मुझे फिर वहां रहने का कोई औचित्य समझ नहीं आता, इसलिए बना।
Delhi Minister Rajkumar Anand on Wednesday resigned from the cabinet and quit the Aam Aadmi Party, alleging Dalits were not given representation in the party. Addressing a press conference, Anand, who was holding various portfolios including social welfare, alleged that there was no Dalit among the top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. This party does not represent Dalit MLAs, councillors and ministers. In such circumstances, all Dalits feel cheated. We live in an inclusive society, but it is not wrong to talk about proportion. It is difficult for me to remain in the party with all these things, hence I am resigning from the post, Anand said. He also took a swipe at Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who is in Tihar jail after being remanded in judicial custody in the excise policy-linked money laundering case and has failed to get any relief from the Delhi High Court. From the Jantar Mantar, Arvind Kejriwal had said that the country will change once politics changes. The politics hasn't changed, but the politician has changed, Anand, who is an MLA from the Patel Nagar constituency, said. In response to a query on the timing of his resignation, Anand said, "It is not about timing. Till yesterday, we were under the impression that we are being framed. But after the High Court verdict, it seems that there is something wrong at our end." The Delhi High Court on Tuesday upheld Kejriwal's arrest and subsequent remand, saying that the Enforcement Directorate was left with little option after he skipped repeated summons and refused to join the investigation. It also cited the ED's claim that Kejriwal conspired and was actively involved in use and concealment of the proceeds of crime to reject his petition against his arrest. The Delhi unit of the Bharatiya Janata Party on Wednesday termed the resignation of Anand as the beginning of the end of the Aam Aadmi Party. This is the beginning of the end of a story of deceit of Delhiites, which Arvind Kejriwal started in 2011 with Anna Andolan. Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva said. The Delhi BJP chief said, Anand, who was with Kejriwal since Anna Andolan, has answered the call of his own conscience by resigning from the government.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.